Yo, welcome back to our 16-part series, Don't Start Your Business Without These in the year 2024. This is part 14, and today we got something really good in store for you. So stay tuned.
Young boss, we did it. Started from the bottom, now we both trying to fit it. Young boss, we did it. Women don't swag out, shine and move the better. Young boss, we did it. Started from the bottom, now we both trying to fit it. Young boss, we did it. Women don't swag.
Yo, welcome back to the channel, everybody. I appreciate you guys for joining us today. Like I say, today is part 14 of our 16-part series, Don't Start Your Business Without These in the year 2024. And today we'll be talking about Calendly. Hold on, am I saying it right? Calendly. Calendly. But before we dive right in, don't forget to hit that like, comment, share, subscribe button. It really helps my channel out. It helps get this information passed around to the masses, because I'm going to be delivering uncommon financial literacy knowledge so that you guys could leverage that knowledge and take action. Apply that knowledge so that you can elevate in all your business endeavors. Y'all know me. I'm going to give y'all a second to go ahead and do that. I'm very patient, man, because this is good information I'm about to deliver. Yo, what's up, everybody? I want to introduce you to my new school community, where we redefining financial literacy and empowerment. That's why my new school community, Band Camp, is here to give you the edge you've been looking for in managing your finances, boosting your credit, and achieving financial independence. Look, in today's fast-paced world, the traditional ways of improving financial health and understanding financial health just ain't enough. In my group, you'll gain financial literacy 2.0, practical and easy to follow strategies to build wealth and grow wealth in ways most people ain't never heard of. Uncommon hacks for financial success. Well, here you'll learn tips and techniques to navigate the financial system smarter, not harder, and save you time and money. Credit repair hacks, most definitely, with proven methods to fix your credit and remove negative items faster than the traditional approach. Quick and easy boosting. So you'll learn how to raise your credit scores using innovative strategies that work faster than outdated systems. Our mission is simple: to empower you with the tools and knowledge to take control of your financial future. But look, whether you start from scratch, recovering from setbacks, or simply looking to level up, we're here to help you unlock doors to opportunities you never thought were possible. This is not your typical education. This is Band Camp. So let's get started on your journey to financial freedom and success. Click the link in the bio. Join now, man. Look, Calendly is the perfect tool to enhance the efficiency and professionalism of your YouTube channel. It allows you to seamlessly schedule meetings, collaborations, consultations, and Q&A sessions with your audience, sponsors, or collaborators. People, look here. With a personalized booking link, your subscribers and clients can easily view your availability and book a time that works for them. No back and forth emails needed. Calendly automatically integrates with your calendar to avoid double bookings and sends reminders to keep everyone on track. Enough of me talking. Let's dive right in. Calendly is the perfect tool to enhance the efficiency and professionalism of your YouTube channel. It allows you to seamlessly schedule meetings, collaborations, consultations, or Q&A sessions with your audience, sponsors, or collaborators. With a personalized booking link, your subscribers and clients can easily view your availability and book a time that works best for them. No back and forth emails needed. Calendly automatically integrates with your calendar to avoid double bookings and sends reminders to keep everyone on track. For YouTube creators like myself, this is a game changer. Simplify collaboration, coordinate with brands, guests, or co-creators without hassle. You can monetize effortlessly. You can set up paid consultations or coaching calls through Calendly's payment integrations. You can also boost audience engagement by offering exclusive one-on-one time to subscribers or host private sessions. Integrate Calendly into your workflow and focus on growing your channel while it takes care of the logistics. You can also customize the booking experience to align with your brand. Add your logo, choose time slots that fit your content creation schedule, and set buffer times to ensure you're always prepared for your next meeting. Whether you're offering consulting services, scheduling interviews, or coordinating giveaways, Calendly helps you stay organized and professional, leaving you more time to focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. If you like that video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And thank you to our wonderful sponsors. See you next time. Yo, wake up. Yo, hey, if you like that video, feel free to click the links in the bio. That way you can get a one-on-one mentorship with me in our Bandcamp Building Business Credit Program. Also, we'll learn plenty more uncommon knowledge by working directly with myself. We also offer free consultations. Go on WilsonFinancialSonsLLC.com or thegiftfortheride.org to schedule your free consultation.